So guys, I want to show you how to connect this soundbar to your computer and test the audio. First of all, you need to switch the soundbar on and it will show you hello d.in. Then you need to select BT. So use the input to select BT, then you select BT pairing. So the soundbar will be in BT pairing. Now go to your laptop settings. So go to your laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices. Then you need to switch Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to add a device. Select add device. Then select Bluetooth. It will start to search for available device. You can see Samsung Soundbar C4 series. Samsung Soundbar C4 series. Select connected audio. Then you select done. So now this soundbar is connected. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people, sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking that made me kiss your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she
This is
was
surround.
I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party,
Game.
laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess.
DTS. Visual X.
Ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you
This is standard.
adore me, adore me. Go on now,
Surround.
adore me, adore me. Oh, so
This subwoofer.
I know we only met just now, and I don't wanna freak you out now, but baby, all I think about is you and me up in a tree, yeah. You whisper something in my ear, the only thing I wanna hear. Oh, you tell me that you think about S-K-I-S-S-I-N-G, yeah. I go and pay at the bar, you go
watch it. Now I ain't talking.
Just one glass in.
So get up, stretch my legs. Some breakfast, look at eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess.
So this remote control, I want to talk to you about this remote control. You switch this soundbar on and off from this button. Then the next button is input. You select the input for you to select BT, optical, USB. When you select BT, then you select BT pairing for the soundbar to be in pairing, Bluetooth pairing. This center one is pause and play, and you can see the music is paused now. Press it again and it will start to play again. So the center one is pause and play. If you want to go to next track, you press this button here. It's gone to next track. If you want to go back to the previous one, then you press the back button. Then you go back. The button here is forward and backward. Then up and down button is when you select tone control. You select treble when you select treble, then use up and down to increase the treble to +6 is maximum. If you want to decrease it, then you press the button to -6 treble. You need to select tone control, then you go to treble bass, then use up and down to increase the bass to +6. Use the down button to decrease the bass to -6. So this button here, voice enhancement and night mode, when you select it, then use up to select and it's on. Select this button, voice enhancement is on and off. Likewise, you select it again, it goes to night mode, switch it on, night mode is on. Select it off, night mode is off. And this button here is visual channel center. So once you select channel, use up and down to select it a particular center you want. Then this plus is for you to increase the sound from the sound bar. Push it down to decrease it. Then the subwoofer, push it up. It will show you SW plus to +6. If you push it down, it will show you SW to -12. This is information. Once you press the information, it will show you the connection that this soundbar is connected to the laptop. It will also show you the soundbar name. If you press the info, it will show you laptop. And this button here is mute. It's showing us mute. Press it again to cancel it. So this is information I thought to share with you, how the remote control work. Review for this soundbar. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's powerful. My only concern is this soundbar hasn't got HDMI connection, so you can only connect it to Bluetooth or optical cable to your TV. But this soundbar is connected to this laptop via Bluetooth. But it deserves your attention. Is Budget Soundbar. Bought it here, 199 quid here in UK. Not sure how much it is abroad, but it's a decent soundbar that will elevate your TV sound. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.